am talking about another topic, which I call perfection is an error. Yeah, most of the people that look for perfection in everything they do, they most time end up in doom. They end up in terrible, terrible problem, which might not be able to rectify it somehow. Because an attempt to look for perfection in everything is an illusion of not believing that there is always a fault somewhere or weakness into anything. More so, we all realize that all technology we have in this world now, they always requires updates. Why is that? Because at some point, what you call the best, we need to get better. So when you really seek for the better, there that tells you the previous device, the previous technology is out of date. My name is Okona Folari. You can follow me on at Okonstock Official on YouTube and Instagram. This I am talking about mostly I want to pinpoint it on our ladies because most of our ladies they have this problem of seeking for perfection, looking for Mr. Right, looking for the best man. Yeah, because we need to ask ourselves, why is it that all most of these beautiful, hot, good-looking, successful ladies end up being single? Why? You've got everything to really make man crazy about you, but why do you end up single? Because you are looking for Mr. Right, you're looking for Mr. Perfect. Because this sense of looking for perfection makes you to set standard. Yes, I want my man to be like that, of this height. I want him to be this rich. I want him to be of this class, of that class. Meanwhile, it is almost impossible. I don't say it's impossible, but it is almost impossible to have all your desire in one man or in one woman. So it's a big problem we have in the world today because most of these women they are successful, they know how to fight to get what they want. Go and check, they could be athletes, they could be movie actors, they could be whatever, in whatever trade they choose. You find out that they know that it is of a priority to fight to get what they desire. They know. So but they made the same mistake into believing that to fight and get what you want, you can also fight to get the same man you want. No, the difference is there is an interest play in between the line. Your trade is there, being an athlete is there, being a movie actor is there. It doesn't change, but the thing is you only need to work to achieve it. But in the case of man, you don't work to achieve man. Both of you have to be interested in one another to make the relationship fly. Yeah, that is it. So for anybody who can try so hard to get the best, he can get there. So they think of looking for 100% in any man or in any relationship. It doesn't work because the only place you can get 100% is probably in downloads and mathematics. We need to get this right. We need to understand this because it requires love and interest to make a relationship work. And men don't have this kind of problem mostly because men they have the ability to play their game to get whoever they want. And if they don't want, if they couldn't have the best of maybe the class of women they want, they can work around their ways because we have this huge pressure of sexual urge. Yeah, almost any man can sleep with probably any woman. So the funniest part is women can adjust their standard. Yeah, if a lady meets a guy that is of higher class, the lady can adjust her class. Yes, that is it. But in the case of man will only fake it. If a woman adjusts her class for you, she's gonna be real. But when men adjust, yeah, you need to really dig down and understand the reality of the adjustment. Yeah, it could be right also, and it could be a game because men are created to play game. We play game a lot. Even so many men play games losing their right partner. in this case, you see ladies, they complain about this guy. Yeah, I like this guy. He's rich, but he's short. This guy is handsome, but he's not that educated. He's not a BSc holder. He's not a master degree holder. What have you? This guy is rich, but he's not handsome. They have a lot of complaint about, and it affects ladies, because ladies actually, if we have to be blunt and sincere, ladies have this age between 20 and 30 to choose whoever they want. But 30 and above, you can only get any man that comes your way, not what you want. You see, I'm making this video because I stumbled on a beautiful lady by name Lolo Jones. Is a fantastic athlete, beautiful lady, beautiful lady, I must confess. But the point is, this lady I'm talking about is a gold medalist in IIA World Athletics, a gold medalist in World Championship, and go and check her Instagram post of 15th of April 2021, not quite long ago. She's 38, she's still single, and she's still choosy, but she doesn't seem to understand that it's too late for her. It's not as if she couldn't find a man loving her, but she is no longer in a situation, in a class whereby she can still stick to a standard. And I'll give it to you, like being a 38-year-old lady, she's rich, she's hot, she's good looking, but now the sense of becoming that mother thing, to become a wife, has really hit on her. Most of the guys that will really date this guy will be in their 40s. Men in 40s are always not in a haste. They are not under pressure. They must have been married sometimes. They must have been successful in their business. So nothing is pushing them. They don't have fear of losing any lady. Not to talk about a lady of 38. When they can, with their level of success at 40s, they can even have a beautiful lady of 25. Yeah, and get married to her, and that will be fine, fantastic, and they'll be good. Now imagine a lady of 30. I don't want to. I will prefer you go into the article, read all the caption yourself, and you will understand what I'm talking about. She's still feeling, because she's beautiful, the beauty is still there. No, at 38, she is practically invisible to men. That is it. Because hot girls don't need adverts. Men sees it. Even if she is putting on veil to cover herself, men will see it. They will find out, because she's pretty. We have this kind of infrared eye that can scan through. Yeah, that is the reality of being a man. So, but the problem is, she still thinks she still have that option of yes, I want this kind of man, I want that kind of man. It doesn't work. Money is there. Fame is there, success is there, beauty is there, but the reality is, as at 38, you are practically invisible to men. If you see, most of the ladies in 38 and their 40s will understand this. A guy of their mate, a man of their age mate, will still come to her asking for another girl of about 30 or less. But within her mind, she'll be thinking like, don't you see me? Am I not a woman to you? The thing is, to him, you are no longer a woman to him. That is it. But you need to get these things. It is practically not easy. Seeking for perfection, I am telling you, it's a big error. You have to learn to live with some weaknesses and deficiency in anybody. Because the thing is, you can be rich, you can be everything, but the problem is, if you don't do the right thing of choosing your spouse at the right time, yeah, automatically depression will set in. But women has a way of playing around their depression. Yeah, the next thing you see on Instagram, yeah, self-love, not scared, love me for who I am, happiness is free, that kind of thing. Don't give up. All those motivational shit, they try to tell themselves, thinking they are doing it for people not to see that they are depressed, but precisely they are depressed. Go and ask couples of maybe 80 a 80 years old woman or thereabout, she will tell you all the problems she's been managing in her husband to that age. Yeah, ask the man too, she will tell you a whole lot, though men don't really want to talk about the deficiency of their wife. But the woman will tell you all sort of shit she has passed through. Yeah, but because she's still married till the age of 80, you call it successful marriage. Yes, it's successful marriage, but it's something she really worked hard for. It's not something easy. It's not something she measured like, yes, it has to be like this, it has to be like that, my man has to be this. Sometimes it appears that ladies are looking for robotic husband. They can just tell, do this, jump up, come down. But when it comes to responsibility, you want the man to be in charge. You want the man to be the man. But you still want to control the man, push him around. Because basically, women need time and money. But the problem is men use time to make money. Yeah, that is it. That's where the problem lies. You need both, but men use one to get the other. So it's a real problem. So you need to know that men will have some deficiency. The man you are aiming to get married to will have some weaknesses. You have to learn how to live with these weaknesses. The one you can choose to live with. I don't say compulsorily, because we have hundreds and thousands of weaknesses in people. But the one you know that, okay, with this weakness I can manage this for the rest of my life. Yeah, that is the best for you. But it is a must you manage a particular kind of deficiency. Yeah, I'm talking to you. It's not like I'm superhuman, I'm perfect. I've been married for over 20 years too. But the problem is, it's not like, but we keep working to make it a success. Yeah, no magic. I'm telling you, there is no magic. You need to get it. That is why you see, seeking for perfection is a big error. Because for you younger generation, if you still insist on seeking for perfect partner, Mr. Right, Mr. Perfect, you are making a big error, and you might pay dearly. Then it might be unfixable. Thank you and God bless. Bye.